How to create Netflix account on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Netflix application on your device. Now, you will see a link on the bottom of your screen. Tap on that. You will then be led to a browser. Tap on the Create a Netflix account option. You will now be required to enter a valid email address and a password for your membership. So go ahead and enter that and now tap on the next option. You will then be required to verify your email. So go ahead and open your inbox and verify your email. Once verified, you will be required to choose a plan. So tap on Next and select a plan based on your preference and requirements. Once selected, tap on Next. You will then have to select a payment method. So select a payment method and fill in the required details and confirm your payment. And finally, tap on the Start Membership button, and with this, your Netflix account will be created. So this is how you can create Netflix account on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.